Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonitra and we are not in my garden. We are headed to, I think, Lowe's. It is Mother's Day, and what would be more fitting than making the cutest arrangement? So let's go to Lowe's and pick out our plants, see what we can find. I got all the plants that I wanted from Lowe's. I went to the Dollar General and got this container that I had been eyeing, so I finally picked it up and we have everything we need. I got my little drill. I'm going to drill a hole at the bottom of this container, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you the plants that I purchased. First, we got a sweet potato vine. I love this purple color. We got a coleus. We got a petunia. Goldilocks creeping Jenny. I've never purchased a creeping Jenny, so I'm excited about this. We got some more vinca with the white in the middle. Another vinca. There's no white in the middle. And then for the center, a daylily. I thought this would be pretty in the center. This is a perennial, so hopefully it'll come back next year. But yeah, I thought this would be a pretty centerpiece, and then the other plants around. We've got our tool. This is a 3/4 inch drill bit. We got this planter from the Dollar General. It was $10. I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole down in the middle and bring it out of this end part, okay? And this drill is a little bit big, but it should work. Okay, be careful not to tear up your pot. Oh, yeah, I did break it a little bit, but that's fine. More drainage. Okay, I'm gonna put some soil at the bottom of this container. Then I'm gonna put some compost, and then we're gonna add our plants. Okay. All right, so we got our soil in. And I'm just gonna start placing my plants in. I'm gonna put the tallest plant in the center and then place the other plants around. We'll put the daylily in the middle. Isn't she so pretty? I thought these plants went well together. Oh, look at those roots. We'll pop her in the center. Cute. I'll put the creeping Jenny on the side so that it can spill over. Gonna be such a pretty Mother's Day arrangement. I hope that you all are having a wonderful Mother's Day. In the front, so pretty. I'm gonna try to face these like facing outward. Face them out a little bit, give them some room. We'll put this sweet potato vine off to this other side. This is gonna be so pretty. I'm loving these colors. We're gonna put this coleus in the back. Okay. OMG, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill in with some more compost. Mosquitoes are out, y'all. They are getting me. And this was such a budget-friendly container. All of these plants were fairly cheap, under $10. The container itself was only $10. You can't beat it. And this is perfect for Mother's Day because, you know, it's not gonna die in a couple of weeks. You can have it all throughout the summer and it should get nice and full. I'll probably put this on the patio, underneath the patio once I decorate it. And I think that'll look really pretty. But for now, I'm gonna put it somewhere over here. Ooh, and she is all tucked in, you guys. I might end up going back to the Dollar General and getting another one of these containers so that I have 2 of them. I don't know if I'll be able to find the same plants, but I might do another arrangement. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh my gosh, this is gonna turn out so stinking pretty. So this is how she turned out. OMG. And we have a whole bunch of buds up here that should be blooming very soon. And I will be fertilizing this probably on a weekly basis. I didn't put any fertilizer in here, but I will scratch it into the soil. So that is it for my budget-friendly Mother's Day container. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals!